guys, it's Erica and I'm back with another nursery tour. So right now I am at Merrihew's Sunset Garden, hope I pronounced that right, in Santa Monica. So I think I've been here once before. I didn't buy anything, I just looked around. So we'll see how it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're walking in. Look at this Tillandsia. It's blooming. All right, here are their little succulents and stuff. These are $4.99 each. They're really cute. There's so many Tillandsias. Let's see what else. What else they got? There's a lot of succulents. Ooh, look at this whale fin. It's so big. There's so many of them. Some little staghorn ferns. I think these are aloe veras. They're flowering. These little plants look really happy here. Oh my gosh. They have lithops. I wonder how much they are. Oh, they're so cute. I can't handle them. This little cactus. $14.99. I don't know what this is, but it's really cute. I would like some of that little cactus. Oh, there's more over here. Oh. This guy's funky. This little nub. Okay. I think over there, like these over here, cacti, like outside plants and flowers and stuff. So I'm gonna head back over here. Look at these little flowers. It's like a lantern or like a bell. I don't know, I should be shaking it. Okay. Oh, here we go. Interior plants. This is where we wanna be. Oh, I see a monstera. This one is $70. Okay. Oh, there's another little, I wonder how much this little one is. Oh, it's kind of big. I don't know how much it is. Some orchids for $29.99. Orchids are so pretty. Oh, up here, their pothos are $14.99. They got some little Scindapsus pictus also. This one is $19.99. Ooh, this looks like a Tradescantia, but I don't think I've ever seen this before. This is so beautiful. It's pink. How much? How much? $14.99. It looks like a Tradescantia. Oh, there's more up here. How much is this snake plant? $50 for this guy. Oh wow, $50. Some calatheas down here. Okay, these are Calathea medallions for $19.99. And then there are some crotons for $14.99. Really gorgeous. Here's a Condo. A green Condo. And this is $14.99. Oh my gosh, look at this Alocasia. Oh, it's leaves. Oh, there's another giant one over there. I'm gonna look at it when I go over there. Okay. I'm pretty sure these are called, I don't remember what they're called. They're like China doll. I'm so sorry if that's wrong. Oh, yeah, it says right there China dolls, and they are $19.99. Oh, this is really full. This is a really like bushy one. Usually they're very what's the word? They're very like light. No, like wispier. That's not the word, but I'll think of it. Oh, here's a beautiful Crimson Queen Hoya. And this one is $14.99. That's a good price. I really love this Hoya. It's so gorgeous. It has these pink leaves, these all white leaves. You just can't go wrong with a Crimson Queen. There is a Rio, Philodendron Rio. How much is it? Oh, it's just watered. $14.99. Pretty good for this plant. I finally got one, and I got it in this size also because I was scared that they weren't going to sell them anymore. Let me move for the light to be better. Okay, these are ferns, philodendrons, pothos, and they are all $14.99. See, they have here some more crotons. These are $6.99. Oh, a little baby one. I don't think I've ever seen a little baby. Well, I think I have, but a little baby medallion. This is $9.99. They have the little 4-inch plants here. Super pretty. I wonder how much they are. Find out right now. Okay, they are $6.99 for this little section, and then over here they're $4.99. Some peperomias for $19.99. $65 ZZ. Really big one. Got some snake plants. All the sansevierias. And then dracaenas down here. They're also $6.99 each. $6.99 each. These are really cute. And then there's also, I think this is an orchid cactus or something like that. So cute. And little baby ZZs. They're so tiny. There's only like 2 little stems in that one. And this is $9.99. I realize the fan is going on, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. Missed out over here. This is a lowrider. Wonder how much it is. Oh, this one's really full. I just got one from the LA flower market for, I think it was like $8.99. I don't remember. This one doesn't have a price on it though, but it was not as full as this one is. This one has so many leaves. 2 babies here, 3 babies, the mother and its 3 babies. That's really good. That's a really full plant. some more monsteras, some pink, I think they're called pink lady aglaonemas. I'm not 100% sure on that. Put the name up on the screen though. They're $24.99 each. Look at this beautiful pink color. Are you kidding me? On camera it looks so amazing. Oh, I can see how much the monsteras are. They're $55. I'm gonna give you a little tip. If you live in LA, this size monstera at Home Depot and Lowe's is like $30. So just letting you guys know. Oh my gosh, I love these. This is $75 though. This is a little staghorn fern. It's gonna start popping up like how you see staghorn ferns. So cute. When ferns have these, it really disturbs me. They look like fingers or spiders. Oh my gosh, I can't deal with those. They're so disturbing. Okay, moving on. We got some calatheas, beauty star, something like that. Beauty. This is $19.99. This is a pretty big one. They're so gorgeous. They look like the ornatas. I have an ornata and I don't have one of these, and I've been wanting one of these, but the ornata is kind of, I'm struggling with that baby. It's my most fussy plant. We're just about done with this room. The African violets. So African violets don't like having water on their leaves, so that's why they probably look so sad. Bottom water your African violets and they'll be happy. Okay, we're gonna move on now. Let's see what else they got. Ooh, a Atonia. It's $14.99. Pink Philodendron. I don't really know prices on Philodendrons. Could be good, could be bad. Here, oh. Oh, another little Alocasia. There's one over here. This one is $39.99. I don't want to be shady, but you can find this one at Home Depot. So I think this is pretty much it. Look at this Hoya. Oh, it has a bloom up there. Let me see if I can zoom it. Oh. Begonias. Big cactus, $34.99. Oh, here's a purple string of hearts for $19.95. Oh, I think I see a spring cactus, and I do. How much is it? It's $7.99. Should I get it? Okay, this is the last little section of just little cacti. Super cute. Alright, I'm not getting the spring cactus. I'm a little bit sad about it, but it's the way that it's gotta be. Okay, so I didn't get the spring cactus because it had like a brownish center on the stem, and I don't really know how to tell if it's healthy, so I just decided to leave it. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!